Good morning, students. Let's start continue with the chapter pointers. In previous session, we have discussed introduced to pointer, understanding pointers, concept of pointers, benefits of pointers, how to declare pointer variables, how it's initialized with the variables, what is null pointers. With elaborate example, we have understand about the basic concept of pointers. Today, a small two parts we will discuss. Some points we have to remember about when we are using the pointer, and how to access variable through pointer, arithmetic expression, whatever we are using in C program, basic C program, that is also expressed by using pointers. So these are the 3 points, some points to be remember while we are using pointer, and how to access variable through pointer, and some arithmetic expression by using pointers we will discuss today. So whatever the points we should remember, those are: first is while declaring or initializing the pointer variable, asterisk indicates that the variable is a pointer. This indicates that the variable is a pointer. The address of any variable is given by preceding the variable name with ampersand. The address of any variable is given by preceding the variable name with ampersand. That means, suppose we are taking the address value of A, so before A we are putting this ampersand. And third point is the pointer variable stores the address of a variable. The declaration in star on asterisk A does not mean that A is going to contain an integer value. It means that A is going to contain the address of a variable storing integer value. Okay. And the fourth point we should remember: to access the value of a certain address stored by a pointer variable, asterisk is used. Here the asterisk can be read as value at. Okay, so we should remember these 4 points when we are using the pointers. Now let's take a look how we access a variable through pointer. Now here we should get a question: how to access the value of the variable using a pointer. The answer is, once a pointer has been assigned the address of a variable by using another unary operator, asterisk, unary operator is asterisk, usually known as the indirection operator. There is another name for the indirection operator is differencing operator. That means another use of unary operator or asterisk. It is the indirection operator, or it is called the differencing operator. Okay. Now consider the following statements. Int quantity. Okay. Pointer variable p and n we declare. This is the declaration part. Now quantity equal to 179. That means quantity taking the value. Okay. And value is assigned to quantity. Now P equal to ampersand quantity. That means P is the pointer variable we declared. Now P contains the address of the quantity. Okay. Now n equal to pointer variable P. This is here we are using indirection operator is used when operator asterisk is placed before a pointer variable. The pointer returns the value of the variable which the pointer value is address. The pointer P returns the value of the variable quantity because P holds the address of quantity. The asterisk can be remembered as value at address. Okay. So in this way we able to access the value of any variable by using the pointer variable. Okay. Hope you understand or read again and again. Now let's take an example. In this way the value of n would be 179. P equal to ampersand quantity and n equal to pointer P. So these are equivalent to n equal to pointer ampersand quantity, that is n equal to quantity. Now let's take an example to access variable through its pointer. That means in use of indirection operator. So let's start with has included square.h in main function start, and in the declaration part int xy. Okay. Next int pointer ptr, x equal to 10, ptr equal to ampersand x, y equal to pointer ptr. Okay. Now printf, the value of x equal to %d. That means x is the integer variable, that's why the format specifier %d is used, and /n for to provide the control into the next line, that's why /n we are using. Quotation complete comma we are putting x. So we are getting here the value of x from this printf. Next printf, %d is stored at address %u. Okay, that means the value of x where it is stored, that means in which address it is stored, that should be, that's why we are using the format specifier %u. %u is the used to display the address value. That's why quotation after quotation complete x comma ampersand x we have written. Next printf is %d is stored at address %u, quotation complete, pointer ampersand x comma ampersand x. Let's see in the output. Next printf %d is stored at address %u, quotation complete, and here we written pointer ptr comma only ptr. Now printf %d is stored at address %u, quotation complete, ptr comma ampersand ptr. Okay, let's take another printf, that is %d is stored at address %u, quotation complete, y comma ampersand y. Now let's take a new value of pointer ptr equal to 25. So the printf shows the the new value of x equal to %d. So x, after quotation we are putting x, we are getting the value of x. So what should be the output from the above program? We are getting value of x equal to 10. So okay, so 10 is stored at the address 4104. From the next printf, 10 is stored at the address 4104. 10 is stored at address 4104. Okay, up to this it's okay. Okay, now for the fourth printf, we are getting 4104 is stored at address 4106. Why it is? Because we are taking PTR ampersand PTR. That means the pointer variable, we are showing the address of pointer variable PTR by using ampersand. So it shows the address value of pointer variable. Now for the taking another new value, the last printf shows 10 is stored at the address 4108. Why? Because here y equal to pointer PTR. So now the address of 10 is y. Y contains the value of x through the pointer variable PTR, and it's showing the new address value by using ampersand y. So we are getting the display value as 10 is stored at the address variable for address 4108. Now we are taking pointer PTR equal to 25. So the new value of x should be 25. Okay. Hope you understood this program, or you should run this program so it may be clear to you more and more. Okay, so with the how this program, the above program performed, we can by using a pictorial diagram we can easily understand. So here we are mention the stage. That means from the declaration we are define the stages we follow. Next, value in the storage cell and their address. X, Y, PTR. These are the variable. So their address is 4104, 4108 and 4106 because pointer PTR, pointer variable PTR is used before Y. So when we declare x equal to 10, then in the x takes the value 10 in the space of address 4104. Okay, now in for y we are not getting any value, so 4108 is blank and 4106 is the address value of the pointer variable PTR. So when PTR equal to ampersand x, then 4104 value is stored in the address 4106. As PTR contains the address value of x. Okay, so when y equal to pointer ptr, then (4104) is stored in the 4104. Okay, and the 10 value of x10 is stored in the 4108 as y equal to pointer ptr. That means pointer to x. Now pointer, when we are written pointer ptr equal to 25, so this is the blank in the previous, as because the value of x is stored in the y by using pointer variable. So in that place we are able to store another new value. So pointer ptr, if we written pointer ptr equal to 25, so we are getting the new value of x. Okay, so in this way we are able to store or access variable by using pointer variable. Okay, so let's take some arithmetic expression using pointers. Like other variables, pointer variables can be used in expression. Let P1 and P2 properly declared and initialized. Y equal to pointer P1 into pointer P1. So this expression should be within bracket pointer P1, then space, use asterisk as multiplication, then within bracket pointer variable P2. Now in this way we can do the sum. Sum equal to sum plus pointer P1. Z equal to 5 into minus 1 pointer P2 divided by pointer P1. This expression could be within bracket 5 into minus of pointer P2. After this expression complete, we are complete the first bracket, and then we are performing the division operation. That means the division marks, then within first bracket P1. So this expression is wrong statement. So in this way we are not able to write any kind of expression. Why? Because the symbol division with the pointer asterisk is considered as beginning of a comment. So program will not understand it, consider it as a comment, and therefore the statement fails. Program will not understand that they are performing another expression. It considered as a comment, so it will not execute and the statement will fail. Okay, so let's another shorthand operators also used by the pointer variables, like P1 plus plus minus P2 or sum plus equal to pointer P2. These shorthand operators also used by the pointer variables. And pointers can also be compared by using relational operators such as P1 greater than P2, P1 equal to P2, and P1 not equal to P2. This such relational operator can also be performed by the pointer. So let's take an example to make all this expression clear. Or better to say, the how we are using arithmetic operation by using pointers, we can see it with a program. So expression is 4 into minus pointer variable p2 divided by pointer variable p1 plus 10. So this expression could be evaluated in this way. Okay, so let's start. The program has included stdotic int main. Okay, int a b pointer p1 pointer p2 x comma y comma z is the in the declaration part. We are getting all this integer variable. Now a is assigned to 12, b is assigned to 4, p1 equal to ampersand a, p2 equal to ampersand b. Now we are doing the calculation. X equal to pointer p1 into pointer p2 minus 6, y equal to 4 into minus of pointer p2 divided by p1 plus 10. So printf will show address of a comma p1. Printf will show address of b equal to p2. Printf is the to take the control into the next line, we are showing a slash n. Printf a equal to %d, b equal to %d, and a b shows the value of a and b. Now printf x equal to %d, y equal to %d, and x comma y. So it's showing the value of x and y. Now again, pointer p2 equal to pointer p2 plus 3. So we are getting the new value of pointer p2 through a and b. Now pointer p1 equal to pointer p2 minus 5. So here pointer p2 getting the current value of pointer p2. So z, when we are doing a new operation through a new variable z, so pointer p1 into pointer p2 minus 6. So the new value of a equal to %d and b equal to %d. So printf showing the new value of z equal to %d, return 0 as we are taking int main. So output, let's take a output. Address of a equal to 4020, address of b equal to 4016, a equal to 12, b equal to 4. So then x equal to 42, y equal to 9. Now when we are changing the pointer variable value, then we are getting the new value of a equal to 2 and new value of b equal to 7. So value of z equal to 8. If you are execute this program, then you will better understand this about output. Okay, so after you understand all the expression, you should run this program and you will understand this more better. So this is a short topic on pointer. We will continue it again. So thank you.